Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the transfer pricing. So let's start. What is transfer pricing? Transfer pricing it is an interdivisional transfers of goods and service within the same entity, or we can say that the prices of goods supplied or the service rendered by one profit center of a business entity to another profit or the profit center of the same entity. These transactions are also called as intra-divisional transactions. For example, suppose there is a Amul company. Amul produces milk also and the Amul produces butter also. So entity is only one, that is Amul. So Amul milk is transfer some goods and services to Amul butter. And in return Amul butter is delivering the payment to Amul milk. So entity is only one, that is Amul milk, and the goods and service are transferred between the same entity, and in return the company is delivering the product. So we can see that the entity, that is company, is only one. So the transaction are taking between the same entity, or goods or service are exchanged between the same entity and return getting the payment. That intra transaction are called as transfer pricing. So let's talk about the methods of transfer pricing. There are three methods of transfer pricing: cost based, market based, and negotiated based. So cost based market prices. In this, you will only charge the cost price plus markup, that is only variable cost, fixed cost, or standard cost as such. Markup price is just above the cost price. Cost price transfer pricing calculate on the cost of goods and service available as per the accounting record of the company. These are not as transparent as company can easily manipulate its account to alter the transfer pricing. Cost base is not that much reliable and transparent as because the company can easily alter the accounting records and manipulate the data in order to earn more profits. The second one is market base. In this, the transfer price is equal to the market price irrespective of the internal or external departments. Under these, the price determination is done through the market forces of demand and supply. So under market base, the price determination is done by the market forces of demand and supply. There is no role of internal or external departments. The third one is negotiated. Under this method, this deals on the buying of prices of goods and services on the basis of negotiation held between the buying division and the selling division. Negotiated based transfer pricing is done between the head of the department. So it is based on the power of the negotiation power of the managers, how the managers negotiate between each other and the power to negotiate. So prices are done on the basis of the negotiation power. So let us talk about the advantages and disadvantages of transfer pricing. Advantages would be full autonomy to buy and sells, time saving methods, autonomy of various divisions. Disadvantage may be losing the opportunity cost, as opportunity cost is the cost of next best alternative foregone. Conflict between the two divisions. The final price depend upon the bargaining power of the negotiator. So today I have tell you about what is transfer pricing and methods of transfer pricing, advantages and disadvantages. So if you have any query, you can comment me in the comment box, and if you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more and more videos. Thank you.